Welcome to my new series today. Yeah, what part? I got my engine started. My engine started. Yeah. So, that's my engine. Woo. Woo. Woo.
Introduce them, AJ.
Ah.
AJ, introduce them. Tell them the names of the trains.
Gordon, James, Spencer, Caitlin, Fernand, Thomas, this Thomas.
Tell them who is your favorite one on Stardust.
Gordon, the Wasty engine. Probably Jensen, not the Wasty engine. Because I don't know what's happened to these engines. I don't know. Let's put them on the floor and see. Ah! Get him. Woohoo! That engine is fast. Come on. Woohoo! Oh man! Goodness, so fast! Oh, man, it's out of it. That's that sorry. Okay, guys. Go, 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 Thomas! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Come back here. Okay. You're back. Okay. Let's goodbye your video. Hey guys. It's like this. It looks like this. Just move it a little bit. It's in my engine. Look at my engine. Look at that. Look at that, Cam. Look at that, camera. Woo. Oh, shit. What do you do? I can see your trains. I can see my trains now. I'll go see my trains.
You wanna come watch the end of your video?
Yeah, I'm watching my video.
Okay, here. Come watch the end of your video. Here you go. Go.
No. I want to see my trains.
No, but this is the end of my video. Tell me the end of your
What?
video. Tell me the end of your video.
Pass to the video of content. Pass to the video has split to me. Because I had a hard time doing this
throughout the day, but not, like, I mean, it's not going to be on a daily basis. It's going to probably be, the vlogs might go up at still the same time. I don't know what time this one's going to be up, because this one does have to export throughout the whole entire process.
I did turn them by.
And the reason why I like
Bye, see you
you
later.
guys